Past week was the week of volatility. One day the market rallied about 2% and other day fell by 4%. Again the market rallied and again ended by falling close to 1%. If you are new to this channel, my name is Jinay. I am a financial market student, and on this channel we learn about finance and stock markets. As we all know, interest rates are at 15-year low, and in US the Fed has been printing money all this time. This is resulting into increase in bond yields and inflation. Look, interest rates and bond yields are inversely proportional to each other. When interest rates rise, bond yields fall, and when interest rate goes down, bond yields rise. Since the markets are rallying from mid-April 2020, investors are now looking for a safer option, and in the past week the bond yields have risen, giving investors a safer option to invest. Another reason is inflation. Investors are expecting inflation to rise, but before inflation rises, I want you all to raise my likes because it will help this video to get to your other friends too. So yeah, inflation. A rise in inflation is not so good for market because volatility increases during inflationary periods. Then what should we do? What should we invest in? Let's have a look. Firstly, stay away from growth stocks because historically value stocks have outperformed growth stocks during inflationary periods. This means be alert on big tech giants like Infosys, TCS and all others. But rising inflation also means expansion in economy, which is a good news for cyclical, and that is the reason we are seeing a boom in automobiles, energy, chemicals and all other cyclical stocks. Along with cyclical, commodity stock also tend to perform better in inflationary periods. In past week, I have seen specifically two sectors giving breakouts. First, sugar stocks. Balrampur Chini, Dhampur Sugar Mills, EID Perry and Triveni Engineering have given a good breakout in past weeks. I happened to invest in Triveni Engineering past week when I saw this breakout, and currently it has given me a return of almost 9%. The other industry is plantation industry. Have a look at this stock, Tata Coffee. It recently gave a breakout and even I entered with it. Currently I have a 5% return on it. Let's see how it goes. What other stocks are in coffee space? There is one CCL Products and one is Bombay Bumrah Trading. So you can look for them because they are about to give breakouts. So I had a lot of fun shooting this video. I learned many new things. I hope you all enjoyed too. Keep learning, keep sharing, keep growing, and also hit that subscribe button.